My wishes. I wish I could buy a beautiful country house for my mother. She always wishes she could live in a quiet, pleasant place where she can have animals and many plants. I wish I could buy an apartment in the city in a few years. I wish I could have my own home. I wish I could travel to Iceland in winter. I deeply wish I could one day see a northern lights. I wish I could visit the Dublin Library and read a couple of suspense books in this beautiful place. And wish I could have an incredible vacation on the beach of Bora Bora. I wish I could stay on a market in the middle of the sea, see a beautiful landscape of the beach and sunrise and sunset. I wish I could learn the three languages, English, French, and Italian. I wish I could travel to different countries in my next vacation. I wish I could buy a Leslie Cyber model sport cars. I wish I could have a romantic dinner with my favorite artist, Romeo Santos.